अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम B.ed फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर 8603 कुछ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। आपने वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है। आपको फर्स्ट वीडियो का लिंक भी इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव है, आपकी क्विज़ में बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, द टेक्सोनॉमी ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन इज़ फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट बाय। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, ब्लूम। In how many categories exological questions are divided? Correct option A, 2. Textbook will be constituted to review the existing curriculum in policy of. Correct option A, 1960. Education policy that was not implemented. Correct option D, 1960. Production of textbook in Pakistan is basically the responsibility of. Correct option A, Provisional Textbook Board. The Asian Programs of Educational Innovation for Development was given in. Correct option C, 1974. Which is the highest level of affective domain? Correct option B, characterization of value complex. In which century curriculum was introduced? Correct option D, 13th. Which category of philosophy deal with the nature of value? Correct option D, hexology. A track followed to achieve the educational objectives is. Correct option C, curriculum. The social functions procedure related to. Correct option B, activity analysis approach. Measurement deals specifically with those characteristics that can be easily. Correct option D, quantified. Main source of Islamic integration in curriculum has its basis in. Correct option D, both A and C. The Hunter Commission recommended the introduction of vocational courses at the upper secondary stage in. Correct option B, 1882. In 1947, which university was preparing curriculum of secondary and higher education for West Pakistan? Correct option C, Punjab University. Criteria for effective curriculum organization. Correct option A, continuity and sequence. In Malaysia, the Curriculum Development Center (CDC) was assigned the responsibility of helping to raise standard of education on the base of dash aspiration. Correct option A, national. In Japan, school curriculum is presented by the Ministry of Education and a course is revised approximately after dash years. Correct option B, 10. Validity mean. Correct option C, accuracy of a measure. Which discipline of science is the study of human behavior? Correct option D, psychology. Type of educational objectives in curriculum are. Correct option D, all these. I hope this video is informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.